Hi everyone, this is Adam from Adam's Tech. Lovely to see you again. Today we're checking out Huawei's newest flagship wearable, the Huawei Watch 5. Is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out. When you first unbox the Watch 5, two things will strike you: premium build and incredible brightness. Huawei offers two sizes: the sleek 42mm in stainless steel and the larger 46mm in aerospace-grade titanium, plus elegant finishes like purple titanium and classic black. The sapphire glass front and ceramic back feel luxurious without diving into weighty territory.
The screen is AMOLED LTPO, hitting up to 3,000 nits, crisp and bright even under direct sun. It also goes always on with ease, while the curved glass adds a modern touch. The interface, running HarmonyOS 4.1, is both smart and stylish. Expect smooth animations, customizable widgets, and a new modular watch face builder with up to 5 slots. Gesture controls like double tap and double slide add natural-to-use flair. Navigation via the rotating crown and responsive touchscreen is seamless. Users on Reddit say the OS feels super clean with zero lag, a real win over some competitors.
Under the hood, the Watch 5 runs HarmonyOS 4.1 and packs enough memory and storage for apps and offline music, with Wi-Fi 6, voice assistant support, and a proprietary wearable SoC. Battery-wise, real-world tests range from 2 to 4.5 days, depending on usage. Standard use hitting the mid-range, while heavy GPS and health tracking pull it toward 2-day territory. Charging is fast, around 45 minutes to full juice.
Now, this is where the Watch 5 shines. It introduces Huawei's X-Tap multi-sensor system, combining ECG, fingertip PPG, and pressure sensors all in one. This allows for a 60-second health glance: ECG, SpO2, HRV, stress, and even respiratory health at your fingertips. Signal accuracy is boosted significantly. The watch supports over 100 workout modes, including advanced trail running and dual-frequency GPS. Oh, and it's water-resistant up to 50 meters with specialized modes like dive and golf.
Connectivity is solid, eSIM support opens up standalone use, and NFC payments are included. Availability varies by region. There's also an app store, though it's sparse compared to Apple or Wear OS. Notification replies work with Android, but iOS users get a more limited set of features.
Let's balance the equation. Pros: a premium, stylish build, titanium, sapphire, ceramic, truly feels high-end. X-Tap sensor for fast, accurate health checks, bright AMOLED with great outdoor visibility, cross-platform compatibility, Android plus iOS. Cons: battery life is solid but not class-leading, limited third-party apps and regional restrictions for NFC and eSIM, and iOS integration is weaker. Some features don't sync well. So, should you buy the Huawei Watch 5? If you're after a stylish, health-first smartwatch with unique fingertip sensing and don't mind skipping some app variety, it's a standout pick. For Android users especially, the Watch 5 offers great value, premium build, and cutting-edge health tech. If you require long battery life, deep app ecosystems, or seamless iOS compatibility, you might find better matches elsewhere. Overall, the Huawei Watch 5 is a compelling, fashion-forward wearable with serious health chops.
That wraps it up, folks. What feature of the Watch 5 are you most excited about? X-Tap scans, titanium styling, or the AMOLED brilliance? Let me know below. If you enjoyed this review, remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adam, signing off from Adam's Tech.